I'm Janie Molster. Welcome to my home. Come on in. The ceiling, which has this fabulous random abstract pattern on it. I painted it pink and then I grew to love it, and I had my decorative painters come over here and sort of sketch this thing out with chalk. I was having a dinner party and I thought, how fun to buy all these little throws for nothing and put them all over the chairs. And that was 3 years ago. I've been through lots of winters, summers, and springs, and they're still here. I can't get rid of them. I was in France with my family a couple of years ago, and my husband said, oh, no, no, you are not going antiquing today. We are here as a family having fun. And I said, oh no, I'll be back in 30 minutes. And I think I bought like 11 things, and I was back at the car in like 27 minutes. Speed antiquing. I found this sculpture at an antique show, and she just looked so welcoming, and her scale was so darling. And everybody that comes in my house says she just feels like she's saying hello, come on in. I love to style my dining room table with something I can really leave there. They all have crazy personalities and funny little lines. I mean, they're works of art that sort of live on my dining room table. So thank you so much for coming. Bye.